Hello, good morning friends. Today we will talk of a super duper company which is boosting the productivity and the efficiency of Indian industry through and through for ages. Friends, I welcome you to Obtaining Shares. I am your friend Anil Sharma. Today we will talk of a great company, that is Castrol India. Let me tell you, originally this company Castrol was founded in the year 1910. So if you really see, as on date, this company, the parent company is as old as 113 years. However, in India, Castrol Limited was incorporated in the year 1979 as a private limited company under the name of Intraday Lubricants and Specialties Private Limited. Later on, its name was changed to Castrol India Limited. Castrol India Limited is a part of Castrol Limited UK Group. Castrol India holds 50.9% stake in the parent company. Friends, the superb infrastructure, or I will say the marketing, manufacturing and marketing efforts by the company, it has 5 manufacturing plants in India, 270 distributors, and you can see huge whopping 70,000 retail outlets in India alone. Don't you think this is a great marketing and manufacturing network of Castrol India, and that speaks the volumes about the high geared company which is giving a trader a very regular income through its performance. Worldwide operations of Castrol are in America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa. Friends, Castrol India provides high quality lubricants, petrochemicals, oils and fluids to, let us see, the industries: automotive industry, power generation, aerospace, marine, robotics, and boosting the efficiency, energy and productivity of companies involved in using its products. Castrol India Limited has great future, great fundamentals. Friends, let us have a check on Castrol India fundamentals now. Friends, this is Castrol India and this is a bird's eye view of the fundamentals of the company Castrol India Limited. Friends, let us see here the basic the basic fundamentals of the company that is likely to give you regular income in swing trading, intraday trading, long-term investment, short-term investment, whatever you call it. You see, you must see here the basic thing is that company is 110 years old, number one. And friends, the second thing is its fundamentals. Friends, when you see the operating margin profits of the company, the operating margins are 2% and the net profit margins are 3%. Friends, this is a company which is controlled by the Government of India. The oil, the petroleum products, the price is determined by the Government of India. Therefore, you see, in spite of all this, there is a consistent increase in the net profit margin, operating profit margin, at the same time gross profit margin also. That is, friends, why I say this company is a great company with strong performance. And let us check its sales revenues also. Now when you see the sales revenues are also continuously increasing. You see, from 1293 it has gone to 1333 or 1334. Now friends, let us have a technical check also on Castrol India. And if you see Castrol India, yesterday the price of Castrol India closed at 147 rupees. and the price target is 160 rupees. That means there is an approximately difference of 14 rupees per share, or it can give you conveniently 10% in next 1 month's time by the time the result of second quarter are out. Friends, looking to its performance, past performance, we hope the performance of Castrol India will continue to remain excellent. And let me tell you, this Castrol India has been it's in the uptrend for some time. And friends, now if you see at present, Castrol India again has entered into a long-term uptrend. Friends, you can, if you think, you can check with your broker whether to buy or not. I have already purchased 6,000 shares of Castrol India. I'll keep it till the results come. Let us see how the results come. But I must tell you, this is for regular income, this is for short term, this is for long term, this is for positional trade, and also friends, Castrol India is for any kind of trading, positional trade or intraday trade, whatever you may call it. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be with me. Together we will try and earn money. Thank you very much.